Joe Rogan turns down Rumble's $100 million offer. Rumble, which launched in 2013, reached a total of 39 million monthly active users in January. Wow. 39 million is not nothing. That's way more than I would have thought. Anyway, this story about him turning it down, it's like not an official turn down, but I guess he did a stand-up set in Austin over there.
Okay.
And he kind of addressed some of the recent controversy going on. Another thing I didn't know is that Rumble is a Canada-based video platform. It was weird because it seemed to be signed from Florida, the CEO of the company, but whatever.
I think it's in Toronto.
Okay. Shout out Rumble. I don't know. They want to give us $100 million? Are we taking a show over there? Or what
I'll definitely take it.
Okay, let's go over there. But no, I'm kidding. Hey, listen, we're here. Remember, I talked to Neil, all right? He's fixing a platform. Come on. Anyway, so he was doing a set in Austin, Texas. It was a stand-up comedy appearance, I think, Tuesday night. And the Hollywood Reporter was there to report on what's going on with Joe, because Joe is all the news these days. Joe's blown up recently. So anyway, I think he was kind of like making light of some of the recent events. And then I guess some fans were asking questions afterwards, after the comedy set. And somebody said, hey, are you going to take the offer from Rumble? Who came out and put a tweet out saying, we'll give you $100 million, say whatever you want. And he said, no, listen, let's get the quote right, actually. He said, no, Spotify has hung in with me inexplicably. Let's see what happens. That's the quote from Joe, reported by the Hollywood Reporter. So it ain't happening. I'm sure it doesn't hurt from a leverage perspective. He's got this letter from Chris Pavlovsky. The address, though, see, it's in Florida, right? But anyway, I'm sure if they have 39 million monthly active listeners and they also have $100 million to be throwing around, I'm sure they're doing just fine. They have operations all over the place. Wouldn't you guess? Wouldn't you think?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Rumble's all over the place.
Rumble's rumbling. Would you say that?
Oh, yeah.
Would you say something like that?